Get the pan. Y'all get. We'll start a fire. Yeah. Garlic. We're gonna just smash this shit to pieces. I roll. Here we go. Yeah. Extra virgin olive oil. Shit all the way from Spain. Pepper on this bitch. On this bitch.
On the road, good music in the jig. Cam, what up?
That chicken. Look at that chicken.